Hello, it's Beck from Netstar, and in this video I'm going to walk you through Netstar's dashcam solution and how you can leverage both videos and GPS telematics for better safety and protection of your assets. The Netstar dashcam technology is designed to integrate seamlessly into our fleet management solutions. They're designed to capture accidents or altercations and, more importantly, show who's at fault. You can connect multiple cameras to your network, giving complete coverage and video feeds from any angle. Timely incident replays, so you don't need to wait until the vehicle has returned to be able to take action. All our cameras automatically capture G-force events, helping you improve driver behaviour and being able to provide feedback faster for unsafe driving. Obviously, when you have unfortunate incidents like accidents, then it's important that you have all the information you need. That's why all recorded footage is combined with vehicle location and speed on the map, allowing you to provide the precise data where needed. The Netstar dashcam solutions are designed to maximise safety while protecting your assets. To learn more about our dashcam solutions, visit our website at netstaraustralia.com.au.